So the question that we have is create a function named graph which will take a data set as input and return histogram and box plot for all the numeric variables and bar plot for all the categorical variables. So I'll start explaining from here. So I have a function called graph. So it takes a data frame and it creates a copy of it so that the original data frame doesn't get hampered. Then I have a list called numerics, in which I have passed in 16, in 32, in 64, all that, because based on our data set, some might have a numerical variable which has data type called in 32, and some might have flows 16. So I've added everything in a list. So then I have another data frame which takes only numerical variables. So this is a data frame with only numerical variables. And then I have another data frame with only categorical variables. So this categorical variable data frame basically takes only those columns which has data type as object. And then once I'm done with that, what I'm doing is I'm calling histogram and box plot with the numerical variable data frame. So that's what was asked in the question. And then bar plot with a categorical variable data frame. So let's see what is there in this. So once this is called, it will take the parameter as numerical variable, and for each column, right? For each column in this data frame, it will create a histogram. So this is what it's doing basically. And here I'll give figure size, bin, color. That's totally your choice. And then there is X label, Y label, and title. So I think that's straightforward. And then once histogram is created with this numerical variable, then it will go for box plot. So box plot also takes numerical variable as parameter. Here also same thing for IDX is index. For IDX and variable in each column in the numerical variable, create a box plot, and it will give X label and title, and then it will go for bar plot. So in bar plot, we are passing categorical variable. So for each categorical variable, it will create a bar plot. So let's check this with one of our data frame. So first, let's see the attrition data frame. So this attrition data frame, let's just check the columns in that. So this is basically a company's data set which tells about age of employee, attrition, if he has left or not, and then business travel. So this is basically like if he travels frequently or travels rare, or things like that, and then his department, his education field, if he's satisfied with the environment, his gender, job involvement in the scale of 1 to 5, job level in the scale of 1 to 5, and many things like that. So let's pass this data frame to our function and see. So here graph2, this is the name. DF is the name of a data frame, right? So let's pass that and check. So we can see that histogram of age. So basically it has created a histogram for all the numerical variables that we had there, which had data type called int64. And then it has also created box plot for all the numerical variables that we had. And then in the end, it has created the bar plot for all the categorical variables. Let's just check it with another CSV file also. I have another CSV called which I have saved in DF Extra. It's data regarding Bangalore houses. So let's just see the columns in that data frame. So we have area type, we have availability, like if it's available, from when is it available. So all that is saved in object data type. And then location, like is it located in Electronic City or where, and size of the, like what is the square foot, and then society, and total square feet. And then it has 3 numeric columns, that's bath, balcony, and price. So let's just try it with this data set. So this is the name of the data set. So since we had only 3 numeric variables, it has created a histogram and bar plot for 3 variables. Histogram of balcony, see, histogram of price, see, most of the price is between this. And then box plot for numeric variables. And then it has created bar plot for categorical variables. For example, see, we have area type as built up area, super built up area, or built up area, or plot area, carpet area. Since it has many values for availability, which is date, which is saved as a categorical variable, it's creating a mess like this. So yeah, so that's about second question.